Little fox. Meet the animals. Polar bear. Hi there. Who are you?
I'm a polar bear. I'm a mammal.
Where do you live?
We live around the Arctic Ocean. We like the ice along the coast.
The Arctic is cold.
Our thick fur keeps us warm. Even our paws have fur. We also have a layer of fat.
Can you swim?
Polar bears are great swimmers. We use our big paws for that. We can swim very far.
Who do you live with?
Most polar bears live alone. Sometimes we eat together.
What do you eat?
Seals are our favorite food. They have lots of fat. We need fat in the cold weather.
How do you catch seals?
We wait next to holes in the ice. Seals come up for air. Then we attack. I see a hole in the ice. Goodbye.
Bye, polar bear. Meet the animals. Walrus. Hi there. Who are you?
I'm a walrus. Walruses are big sea mammals.
Where do you live?
We live near the Arctic Circle. It is very cold here.
How do you stay warm?
We have lots of blubber. Blubber is a type of fat. It keeps us nice and warm.
You have huge tusks.
Our tusks are long teeth. We use them to poke holes in ice. Our tusks also protect us from enemies.
Can you swim?
Walruses swim very well. We're not fast, but we can swim for a long time.
What do you eat?
Walruses mostly eat clams from the ocean floor. We use our whiskers to find the clams.
Do you live with other walruses?
Yes, walruses live in big groups. We like to lie on the beach together. It's time to sleep now. Goodbye.
Goodbye, walrus.
Little fox.
Meet the animals. Grizzly bear. Hi there. Who are you?
I'm a grizzly bear. That's a type of brown bear.
Where do you live?
I live in Alaska, like many grizzly bears. We live in forests, meadows, and tundra.
You are very big.
Yes, and we can run fast too. We also have long claws.
Are you dangerous?
Grizzly bears are usually peaceful. But a mother grizzly bear is very dangerous. She'll attack anyone who goes near her cubs.
What do you eat?
We eat berries, leaves, roots, and nuts. Sometimes we eat small animals or even moose.
Grizzly bears go fishing too, right?
We eat lots of salmon in the fall. That's when we get really fat.
Why do you eat so much?
We go into a deep sleep during winter. We will not eat again until spring. My winter den is ready now. Good night.
Good night, Grizzly bear.
Little Fox.
Meet the animals. Sea otter. Hello. Who are you?
I'm a sea otter. Sea otters are a type of weasel.
Where do you live?
Sea otters live in the Pacific Ocean. We live in North America and Asia.
Do you ever go on land?
Sea otters go on land to rest sometimes. But we mostly stay in the water. We even sleep in the water.
How do you do that?
We float on our backs. Sometimes we sleep wrapped in kelp. The kelp keeps us from drifting away.
What do you eat?
Sea otters eat fish and octopuses. We also like crabs and clams. We use rocks to break them open.
Your fur looks thick.
Our fur is very thick. It's also waterproof. Our fur keeps us warm and dry.
Do you have any enemies?
Killer whales and sharks sometimes eat us. Our webbed feet help us swim away fast. I'll see you later. I need to clean my fur now.
Goodbye, sea otter. animals. Moose. Hi there. Who are you?
I'm a moose. Moose are the biggest kind of deer.
Where do you live?
Moose live in cold parts of the world. We like forests. We stay near lakes, ponds, or streams.
Can you swim?
Yes, we're great swimmers. We can also run fast.
It's cold here.
Moose love the cold. Our fur keeps us warm. Our hooves help us walk in snow.
What do you eat?
Moose don't eat meat. We eat twigs, bark, leaves, and pine cones. We also eat plants that grow in water.
You have big antlers.
My antlers fall off each year. Then they grow back even bigger. We use antlers to find mates and fight.
Who do you fight?
Male moose fight each other. We also fight enemies. Bears, wolves, and cougars hunt us. I'm going for a swim now. I'll see you later.
Goodbye, Moose.